back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. Welcome, my loves. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a makeup palette or makeup box. I don't know what they're called, but my significant other bought this for me as one of the anniversary presents that I got on Black Friday, and I am super excited to use this. It's just, I'm very picky when it comes to makeup, and I'm very like, I feel weird when I buy, well, not feel weird, but I'm kind of weird when it comes to like, if I'm opening an eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use that eyeshadow palette first before I open another eyeshadow palette. So hence the reason why I have so many eyeshadow palettes. But I don't know why I'm like that, but I am. So I might not use this anytime soon because it's just that weirdness that I have in me. But I kind of want to use it, but I might not to. I don't know, but I'm super excited. So my significant other got me this from Sephora. It's so amazing because he does not know how to shop for me, and he just tried his best and bought what he knows I like most, which is makeup. He got me a purse. I love purses. He got me my favorite, and I've been wanting this perfume for a while now, Chanel Gabriel. If you guys remember my apartment tour video, I've said that I have a signature brand, not a signature smell. And my signature brand is Chanel. So I have Chance in number 5, but I was wanting Gabriel and I didn't have Gabriel, so he went ahead and got me Gabriel, which is amazing. Now he's gonna get me Coco. But yeah, so he got me my signature brand perfume, and obviously I love purses and I love heels, so he got me, like, you know, basically what I want. Anyway, he took me on a small shopping spree. But yeah, he got me this amazing makeup palette, like, or box, I don't know. Yeah, it is a makeup palette from Sephora, and it's amazing. Like, he didn't know what exactly to shop for me from Sephora or makeup, so he just got this. It had a little bit of everything, and I am super excited to open it. It's just fingers crossed that nothing is broken, because mind you, I live in Florida, he lives in California, and this went through a plane, and I know people throw luggages, so I hope nothing broke. Fingers crossed nothing broke. If not, I'll be so upset. But yeah, let's open it because I haven't opened it yet. I'm super excited. Okay. I'm kind of scared, I'm kind of nervous. I hope nothing is broken. Hope like the eyeshadow didn't break. So this is how it looks. It's a good size. Yes, I will put it back in this plastic because, like I said, I'm very picky and very weird when it comes to that. This is so cute! It's so shiny! Oh my god! Okay. So, wait, how do you open this? I don't know how to open this. Hold up. Okay. Ready? Oh my god, nothing's broken and everything is so perfect. It has a mirror. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors. It has blush too. Colors of blush, you see? The big ones, like those are blushes, and the eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put the plastic back. Plastic. Okay. I think there's a bottom to it. Yeah, I'm gonna open the bottom. Hold up. Okay. Ow, my nails. I don't know how to take the bottom out. Oh, okay. Ready? Ooh, it has a little bit of lipsticks and like little brushes. Oh, is this eyeliner? Oh my god, it is eyeliner, and a little bit of eyeshadow or for your eyebrows. This is so nice. Oh my god, babe. I still love this. Oh my Jesus, it's amazing. I don't know if I should like go like buy eyeshadow and see how they look. I don't know, 'cause like I said, I'm really weird when it comes to that. I don't like touching it until I need it. But oh my god, like this is so nice. Like the colors, it's like everyday colors. Like, oh my god. You know what? This is gonna be my California makeup stuff. Every time I travel, I take like the 2 full bags of makeup of everything, my foundation, every single thing. It's like 5 eyeshadow palettes that are already open. And I think like instead of like me traveling with so much bags, I'm just gonna take this, which has a whole complete set, just a couple brushes, foundation and concealer, and call it a day, because it has every single color. So this is amazing. Like, oh my god, like, oh my god, I am super excited to use this. Like, baby. Okay, thank you, my love. I love you so much for that. Thank you. Because I know he's like really picky when it comes to spending money. He doesn't like spending a lot of money. Not like me, because you guys know me. I like to just give my card and swipe. Him, he's very like calculating. Okay, if this costs this many, how much am I gonna have? Me, is not like, okay, swipe. So I'm very happy that he went that extra mile and kind of spent a couple hundreds on me. I'm kind of very excited for him for that. Like, thank you. Like, that means a lot to me. Like, really much. And I'm just super excited. Like, I love this so much. And I love you. Okay. Okay, my loves. So if you like today's video, will help me unboxing and see my reaction to Miss eyeshadow palette, to my brand new Sephora eyeshadow palette, then don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, gentlemen, if I have gentlemen like watching my videos, and if you don't know what to get your girlfriend, Sephora, literally. Like, this is amazing. Like, I was happy, so I'm pretty sure a lot of girls would be happy too. For if you want to get this for your significant other, for your mother, like, this is amazing. But if you're new to my channel, again, my name is Stephanie, my loves, and be my virtual friend. Follow me on all my social medias on the description box, at Snapchat at XOXOStephanie, Instagram at Stephanie Chimaiko, and Twitter at Steph Chimaiko. Get to know me more, be my virtual friends. Of course, I love supporting small business. As you know, I'm an entrepreneur myself, so I love to support every entrepreneur that there is. And of course, just follow my channel and hit the notification bell, and I shall see you very soon, my loves. See you soon.